In Creo Parametric drawing mode, you can create a reference balloon for an object that already has a balloon displayed in a different view. Let's take a look at that. Here I have a drawing open. It is an assembly with a bill of materials. So to get to the command, I will go to the Table tab. Here is the Create Ref Balloons command. If you take a look at the upper view, we have the tire, which is index number 20, and there are 6 instances of it. If I try to pick another instance of the tire in the same view, it's not going to work. If I try to pick a different instance of the tire in a different view, it's not going to work. I have to pick the same instance of the tire in a different view. And there we have the reference balloon created. You can see the letters REF under it. I'm going to hit the middle mouse button to get out of the command. Let me repaint the sheet so that nothing is selected. An alternate way of getting to the command is by changing your selection filter in the lower right-hand corner and going to Component. And if you take a look in the upper view, we already have index number 9 with a bomb balloon. It is for one of the rear fenders. I'm going to pick that rear fender in a different view and then hold down the right mouse button. And here is the Create Ref Balloons command. And I'll click on it, and now we have a reference balloon displayed for that particular component. And if you take a look at the balloon that's created, it's got the letters REF underneath where the quantity would normally be displayed. If you want to change that to different text, you can change your drawing properties. I will go to File, Prepare, Drawing Properties. In the Detailing Options dialog box, or the Drawing Properties dialog box, I will click on the blue Change hyperlink for Detail Options, and that will open up my dialog box for my drawing detail options. And if you go about halfway down the list, we can find the group of options for bomb balloons somewhere in here. Okay. These options control tables, repeat regions, and something else. But here we have the detail option, reference bomb balloon text. By default, it is using the letters REF. There are no other suggestions from the value drop-down list, but you can type in different text that you want to use instead. But I'm going to leave REF as my reference bomb balloon text. Let's close that and then close the Drawing Properties dialog box. So that's how you can create reference bomb balloons in a drawing in Creo Parametric.